Hello class, in this video we are going to discuss what logarithmic tables are. So in short, log tables.
Welcome to Math with Father. Subscribe, like and share.
Log tables are reference tools for huge computations. Now, in the olden days, before calculators and computers were invented, log tables were commonly employed to simplify difficult computations. And what are the requirements? Now let's delve right into this. Before the log of any value is being calculated, there are the things needed before the values on the log table is read. Now, what are the things needed? The things needed before the log of any number is read from the tables are: one, the first thing you need is the characteristic. The second thing needed is the Mantissa. Okay, what is a characteristic? A characteristic of a number is the index or the exponent of 10. Now, when the log of a number is given, the log 372.56. Now, before you obtain the characteristic, the digits or the decimal number here should first and foremost be converted to a standard form. Converting the number 372.56 to a standard form, the decimal point which is in between the third digit number and the fourth digit number has to move in between the first digit number and the second digit number. So the movement determines our exponent. So the point moves here 1, moves here 2, and then it plays here. Now the number is now transformed into a standard form, which is 3.7256 times 10 raised to the power 2. So the 2 here is the movement of the point, and it denotes our characteristic. So the characteristic is the exponent or the index of 10, as our decimal number has been converted to a standard form. Now let's move on to our Mantissa. The Mantissa is the values which is read from our logarithmic table or the log table. So the values that we see here are the Mantissa. The values read from the logarithmic tables are the Mantissa. So these are the information needed before you can find the log of any value from the log table. So if this video was very helpful, like my video, subscribe to the channel, and put me on post notification anytime I
Subscribe,
post
like
new
and share.
video to make science and maths a reality. Thank you. I'm out.